If you don't want to watch the install and you just want to watch the before and after clips, I'll put a timestamp in the description or maybe in the comments. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's episode, we're going to start off with the very first official mod to the truck. I ordered the Carven competitor kit off of their website. This kit comes in 4 separate items. Start from front to rear. This right here is gonna be my brand new muffler. I will do it side by side to show you the size difference in this. This is gonna be the piece that connects to my catalytic converter, one of the 3 I have. This one looks very identical to the one that's already on the truck. This piece is going to be the tailpipe that comes out behind the muffler, the part that goes over my axle. And of course, this is my exhaust tip that you have to put onto the tailpipe. This kit also comes with 2 clamps. And like I said earlier, we're going to do a side by side to show off this new exhaust kit versus the old stock kit. All right, the first part of this, you're going to want to take where this clamp right here is. There's a bolt up here. It's a 13 millimeter. If it looks anything like this, I had to use a 1/2 inch with a 13, and I had to use a bar to break it off. And I also had to go back there with a pick and scrape out all the dirt. But this is going to be the first one to take off. The next portion of this is I have 1, 2, 3, and way back there I got 4 hangers to take off, and then we can slide this exhaust out. Okay, what I'm gonna do to take these off is I'm gonna spray some WD-40 in there into the bottom ones and pop that little tip out. We're gonna slide the exhaust out. All the hangers were taken off, but the exhaust won't just slide out like I wanted it to and drop so I could take it out. So we're gonna cut off one piece so that we're able to take the exhaust out and then move on to installing the new exhaust. Because at least the new exhaust is in 3 pieces. This is a whole piece. Alright, now that we got the stock exhaust out, the stock tailpipe, this big muffler. Look at the size comparison between this stock muffler from GM and the Carven competitor muffler. That's all I get. You go up here, you get this down piece that goes to the cats. And this is a rough estimate of what it's going to look like when it's on the truck. You can see this elbow right here. You can see that we made some cuts here and here. We didn't really need to cut there, but we weren't thinking, so cut there. And look at the difference between these 2 elbows. This one took a lot more. That's why we had to cut on it. And then it comes out stock pipe, and I have an exhaust tip now. So now we're gonna start and put this on front to back, and we'll show you the end result. Alright, we got it all bolted up and ready to go. We had a small hiccup that Martin's mad about, but but now the badge of honor is
tell him what the hiccup was, man.
Nah. Anyway, the badge of honor is putting on this tip.
Oh, it's gonna over tighten it.
No, I'm not. I gotta make sure it's on there. You may notice difference up here on the top. It's one I over tightened, but it's whatever. I'm getting a new clamp. soon. So you tighten that clamp up right there. You come back here, tighten up this second clamp. Then there's one more clamp to tighten down. And that is the very last one that holds the tailpiece to your muffler. And then of course all of your original hangers. And then the tip. Okay guys, so we ran out of daylight today. So the next clips that y'all are about to see are tomorrow on Saturday. So it's the next day. As you can hear, we changed the exhaust. I'm going to give you some flybys now, and we're going to do some downtown driving and show you what it sounds like when it echoes off the buildings. It's not crazy loud, I didn't want that. Not overly loud, just what I didn't want something overly loud. I didn't want anything that was like Flowmaster Outlaw status where it's drony and super loud, and I didn't want to go straight piping it like all the other boys do, because then it's too raspy and it just sounds, I'll be real with you, it sounds terrible. It just does. This is a good middle ground. It sounds good. I like to take vacation times, and I like to go on long drives and trips, and a lot of interstate driving, highway driving, and I think this is going to work great because this is just at cruising. I'm sure you can, you obviously can probably hear it, but it's not, it doesn't sound crazy. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. The truck sounds much better. I recommend the exhaust to anybody that has a Sierra. I would even recommend it on, I've seen the Toyota clips. They sound great on the 5.7s. I haven't watched any of the Ford clips, but I'm sure they sound good. And same with Dodge or Ram. Overall, it's a great, it's a good middle ground exhaust. It sounds perfect. It's not raspy. It has a good sound to it. It's not overbearing. I recommend it. 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment.